So what is up guys, I hope you're all doing well. This is the link where we can download the virtual machine and hypervisor process, right? Hypervisor we can download like this. I have already downloaded, so I will simply open it to install. So hypervisor is the software by which you can create virtual machines, and we are using VMware for this process. So inside this we can download we can install Linux operating system into our Windows operating system. So to get more knowledge, in-depth knowledge about the hypervisor and virtual machines, you can watch my previous video. Currently I'm installing this, right? Okay, clicking on next. Okay, agree all the terms and condition and clicking next to it. Now the installation process has been started. It will take some time guys to completely install it. Yeah, for a while, for a minute or two we need to wait. So yes, after clicking next to it, I will provide the key to you guys to paste here, and you can put the key and install the with the activation, complete activation, you can install the full application on your system. I have pasted it. Now finish. All right, so hypervisor has been installed. Now now what we need to do, we need to download the Red Hat operating system, which is Linux, which is based upon Linux. It is around 8 GB, and we don't have the CD right now. Simply we are we are using the uh, not COD is using the CD. We are using the image of it. Basically, it is just the software version of that CD. Okay, soft copy of that CD. So I will provide you the link for that also. And first you need to just download it. It will take some time for a while. So here it is asking about some basic details, full name and name. If you want to set the password, you can set it, okay, according to your need. The virtual mesh, the hypervisor workstation pro 17, VMware, okay. So yes, we are simultaneously doing both the tasks. Now to create a virtual machine, we have to select how much GB of ROM we need to pass it, okay, we need to give it, okay. And we have automatically divided our processors and all for the new virtual machine, okay. So yes, it will take some time more. So it is after downloading the virtual file, uh, we have simply selected our CD of Red Hat Enterprise RHEL 9, and from the downloaded section we have selected our CD, which was the ISO file of that, okay, into the VMware virtual box, okay, when we started creation of the virtual machine, okay. So in that way we have selected our CD, and now it is going to install that particular Linux operating system into this hypervisor, on this hypervisor, right? Now it will ask us about the language, what language we want to choose. Yes, English and United States, and yes, continue. Now there are some manual interventions that I want to do. Installation testing, yes, you can see here, um, you know as the manual way, I need to give the instruction that how much of the drive section I want to give to which mount, okay. So yes, I have selected standard partition here, and for slash, which is the root user, for that we are giving 5 GB of data, okay. So one by one we'll provide. For slash boot will give around uh, yes, here we will give 5 GB, okay, 5G, it will take 5G. Then click add mount point, again plus sign. Now again, to booting related data we need to give, we can give around 300 to 500 MB of data, okay. For like just like slash home will give 3 GB, slash temp at the end will give will create a temporary file also, by naming it slash temp, by giving it 2 GB, slash var, which contains the variable data, with that which we will give around 5 GB, and slash usr, that for that we will give it contains the software installation data, binary data. For that we'll give around 7 GB, and swap space, it contains the temporary temporary data, okay. For that we'll give 2 GB extra, okay. If there is any data which has been overloaded into our system, we can simply just we can provide that particular data to the swap space, okay. So yes, after creating this, we are ready to go, Okay, I have explained you one by one. Now I am doing the process. Okay. Now kdump is enabled. Okay, uh, make sure that it is enabled, and if you want to create the root password and confirm it. I am doing the same right now. During the time of that installation of Linux rel red hat cd iso file, if you wanted to create a new file, you can simply click on the green sign and you can create new virtual machine from that place. Now the cd has been loading. Okay, as per our need. Okay, we have created the environment for Linux operating system virtual machine into the hypervisor. Okay, and it will take some time. Till then I'm just looking forward for the other processes which I can do. I'm sharing my ISO file here so that you can also download. So after putting the name, okay, we have installed our cd, okay, of Linux. Now I want to create my it will ask for the enterprise login. I am just clicking it and giving the yes, we don't have the domain. So and I have clicked on the enterprise login. I am giving the password here and confirming the password, okay, to into this simply. And now we can see that we can see the icons here. We can see the graphical interface, but we want to automate our work. For that we need to go for the command line system. So we'll open the terminal here. No, we don't need the tool. Okay, we'll simply open the terminal here, and yes, here I have opened the terminal, and by clicking Control Shift Plus I can zoom in inside the terminal, and we can simply work on the command line basis, right? We Thank you. So all right, we have downloaded and installed the rel operating system rh here inside our hypervisor. Okay, with the help of hypervisor vmware. Now what we need to do, in the next class we will be learning about the basic command lines. Okay, so till yet we have completed the theoretical part and the installation part, and I will provide you the link in the description box. And yes, from the next session we'll be directly working upon the commands and all, right? So yes, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.